Hello students, welcome to our educational channel Pathshala Pandit. I am Ayus Bhattacharya. In this channel, you will get all the videos related to the academics of maths and science. If you feel this video is really helpful for you, please like it and also share it with your friends. Also, please consider to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any type of query, please post it in the comment section. I will surely reply it. Thank you very much. Hello students. Today we will see how to convert a recurring decimal to a PYQ form. First of all, let it be clear that recurring means to repeat, repetitive. Now to understand this, let's see a question. Question is 0.777. The target is to convert this into P by Q form. P by Q form means a fractional form, okay? So the first thing you have to do is to write x is equals to 0.777 continued. Now what does this mean? You have to equate it, okay? How do we have to represent it like this, that 777 and we have to put 3 dots? No. The proper way of representing it is 0.7, above it a small dot, okay? Above it a small dot. This means that 7 is being repeated till infinity. So this is how we represent a repetitive or recurring decimal, okay? Now convert x. Your second target should be to convert or to bring the 7 in this number to the left of the decimal point. Means whatever thing is being repeated, you have to bring it only once to the left side of the decimal point. How to do that? Here only 7 is being repeated, so 10x, multiply it by 10. If we multiply the left side by 10, we have to multiply the right side by 10 too. It will become 7.777 equal to 7.7, above it a small dot. Alright, fine. Now what you have to do, this is 1, this is second equation. Subtracting 1 from 2, okay? In the exam also you have to write it like this only. 10x minus x, okay, subtracting 1 from 2 is equals to 7.7 dot minus 0.7 dot. All right, now look here, treat this as a rough column for now. 7.777 minus 0.777 continued. Now don't you think these 7s will cancel out these 7s? Don't you think like that? Of course it will cancel. So what will be the end result? 7 only. More properly, 7.777 continued minus 0.777 continued. What will be the answer? 7 minus 7, these continues will be 0. 7 minus 7, 0, 0, 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. This will be the answer, which we will substitute here, is equals to, so we have to put a therefore sign. This is a therefore sign, alright, remember this. 9x is equals to 7. Okay, 9x, 10x minus x is 9x. We have seen right now that this answer is 7. So again we have to put a therefore sign. X is equals to 7 upon 9. Is this a PYQ form? Of course, PYQ is a fraction. We have to write it in fraction form. Is Q non-zero? Of course it is non-zero, it is 9. So what is x? X is 0.777 continued. So like that we have to write here 0.777 is equals to 7. Again we have to put a therefore sign. Okay, do not forget to do this. 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Alright. Below this, in the paper, in the test, when you are giving a test, you have to write it like this. Answer 0.777 is equals to 7 by 9. Okay, like this you have to present your answer. So this is one question. Let's take another question. Question is 7.529. 7.529 529 529 continued. Now see, here a single digit was being repeated. Here is a single digit being repeated? No, of course no. Here first of all your first target should be to represent it as x equals to 7.529 529 continued. Okay. Now is this 529 a whole set of numbers is being repeated? 529 is being repeated, so it will be equal to 7.529. Above this 529 will be a bar or a line. You can call it a line. Here it was a dot because it's single digit. Here it is a set of digits, so it will be a line. More than one digit, then it will be a line. Okay. Now see, what was the second target? The second target was to bring this pattern once on the left side of the decimal point. Alright. There is 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Okay. 3 digits are there. So what will we have to do? Will we multiply it by 10? No, here 7 was there, hence we multiplied it by 10. Here 3 digits are there, so we will multiply it by 1000x. Okay, 1000x. 1000x is equals to 7,529.529 equal to 7529.529 bar. We generally call it bar. Okay, 529 bar. Now see, what was the next thing to do? Subtracting 1 from 2. The target should be to eliminate these recurring numbers. Alright. So again we have to, yes, do not forget to put this. Here also we'll put, this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Subtracting 1 from 2. 1 from 2. Alright. Subtracting 1 from 2. So we will to do 1000x minus x. 1000x minus x is equals to what? 7 7.529 bar minus 7.529. Is it clear? 1000x minus x is equal to 7529.529 minus 7.529. Alright, 0.529 minus 529. So of course now this recurring numbers will be deleted like we have seen earlier. Here in this case it is been deleted, here also it will be deleted. Okay, 999x 999, this is equals to 7522. By subtraction we can see it is 7522 x. So now what is the next step? Remember to put therefore signs here. X is equals to 7522 by 999. Alright. Now what is x? X is this whole number. So we have to write it like this. 7.529 bar is equals to 7522 by 999, and answer you have to write it 7.529 is equals to, and you can write it like this or you can write it here like this also. Prefer to write the answer just as it is given in the question, that is more preferable. So 7.529529, like it, write it like this. Okay, is equals to 7522. That is a terrible division sign. 7522 by 999. Okay, understood? Don't forget to give a underline sign here. Presentation should be great. Okay, so understood the whole thing? Understood? Alright, now we will move on to a little bit of a tough question. Okay, let's see it. Now let's see an example which might be a bit trickier. Alright, but I am sure with practice you will surely get it. The question is, .43 above it a dot. The question itself is like this. So while representing it in the answer like x is equals to, you do not have to write x is equals to 2.43333 then equal to 2.43 dot. No need. The question is given, so you can write it like this only. Okay, so x is equals to 2.43 dot. Now the difference between this question and the previous questions are, I am writing a previous question, like the previous question was 0.7 dot. The difference is that this dot part means the number which is being repeated was just beside the point, just beside the decimal point. Here this repeating number is not just beside the point, it is one number away, one digit away from this decimal point. Alright, so in such cases what you have to do is, the first target is bring this number just beside this decimal point. So how to do that? Of course, remove it from here to here. 10x is equals to, let me write it properly, 10x is equals to 24.3, of course. Now this is our first equation. This is our first equation, because now you can see that it is just beside the decimal point. Now what we will have to do, the second target was to bring the repeating number once on the left side to the decimal point. Okay, so what we will have to do, only one number is being repeated, so of course we have to just multiply this number. Now we have to multiply this by a 10, so 10x into 10 is equals to 24.3 into 10. All right, so now what we will to do is to yes, 100x, therefore here also, okay, 10x, therefore 100x is equals to 243.3 dot. All right, now the method, you know what to do. Subtract 1 from 2. Okay, so 100x minus 10x is equal to 243.3 dot minus what is 1, what is 1, 24.3, 24.3 dot. All right, so now again a therefore sign. Now what is the answer? 90x. Okay, this is why I am saying this question is a bit tricky, because generally you will see questions where this denominator will come out to be 999 or 99, means every digit is 9, but here the denominator will turn out to be 90. Let's see it. So now we have to see 243 minus 24. This is the rough column. 243, 24 minus 0.3 dot, 0.3 dot. So this is 0.4, this will be 9, this will be 1, this will be 2. All right, so the answer is 219 here. So what will be x? X is equals to 219 by 90. Okay, 219 by 90, that means 2.43 is equals to 219 by 90. All right, now write the answer just as shown earlier. Answer 2.43, just as it is written in the question, you have to write it here, equal to 219 by 90. All right, give a big underline. Now I hope you understood nicely how to convert a recurring decimal into a p by q form. So thank you very much.